Hey guys, Pete with Leisure Time here with another episode of What's Wrong with My Hot Tub. So today we're looking at a 2015 Rhythm, a Hot Springs Rhythm, and the customer was saying that there's no power on the Topside controller. And so I checked the breaker is on, but there's nothing lighting up here up on top. So what we'll do is pull the panel open, and pretty much the best way to test that out is just to switch it out with a new controller and see if it works. Okay, so looking on the circuit board, we can see that LED lights are on. There's a red light here where it says control error, meaning the circuit board is having a hard time communicating with the Topside controller. Okay, so I shut the power off, and what we'll do is just unplug the current Topside. I'm gonna try to do that real carefully without ripping the wires out of the plug. Like that, and then all these are zip tied together. We'll have to cut the zip ties off, but I'm going to pull the new one out of the box and just plug it in right here, turn it back on. So the orientation on the plug is going to matter. If you look at it real close, you can kind of see a wedge like looking thing on the plug there, and then on the circuit board itself there's almost like a wedge down on the bottom, and so you want to make sure both those wedges are facing the same way so that they can interlock and line up all your pins so you don't bend them when you push that on there. Okay, just turn the breaker back on and see if the new Topside lights up. And gives us our current water temperature. I'll hit jets, turns on the pumps. Okay, just T-lock is on. Just want to go through everything and check it. Okay, we're good to go. So I'm going to pull the old Topside off of here, and I'm going to unplug this from the circuit board and restring the wires back down, plug it in, and then I'm going to silicone the bottom of this back to the tub. Okay, so we're going to pull the old one back out. I'm going to unplug this from the board right now. Right there. And to remove the old one, you just take some sort of a flat blade. I mean, you do a flat blade screwdriver, a pocket knife, or a putty knife or something, and just pry up on the thing there. And it's siliconed in. Looks like they got a little bit of fluff there to insulate in the hole. So looking on that circuit board there, you can see all kinds of corrosion from where moisture got in there. So anyway, that's where it got damaged. Just clean up the surface so that the silicone will stick properly and better, make a good seal. Take our new wire, drop it down in there. I'll take a little bit of silicone and just run a bead around the top of that. I like to add enough silicone that when I put that on there, it kind of squishes out around, making a good seal to the tub. Make sure your orientation of the control panel is the same way it was when it came off. Now that silicone probably takes about 20-30 minutes to set up. Create a good seal around there. Run the wire back down here, plug it back into the circuit board. Everything's lighting up. Should be good to go. Peel away this protective film there. Okay. We're all set. Okay, and that's how you do that.